Which colonial policy, implemented through discriminatory tariffs and regulations, most significantly contributed to the decline of indigenous Indian industries during the British Raj? 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Explanation. The British Raj implemented a multifaceted colonial economic policy designed to benefit British industries at the expense of Indian ones. A key component of this was the use of discriminatory tariffs and regulations. These policies were implemented to promote British goods. Tariffs were often levied on Indian exports, making them more expensive and less competitive in the global market. Simultaneously, British manufactured goods were either imported duty-free or with minimal tariffs, flooding the Indian market with cheaper alternatives. Destroy Indian manufacturing. Indian industries, particularly textiles, were deliberately targeted. The British sought to transform India into a supplier of raw materials for British factories and a captive market for British finished goods. This involved dismantling existing manufacturing capabilities, like the once thriving textile industry. Control resources. Regulations were put in place to control the production and trade of essential commodities like salt and indigo, giving the British a monopoly and effectively stifling indigenous production. Economic exploitation. These policies caused profound long-term economic damage and contributed to poverty. Why other options are less suitable? Other possible answers would likely represent aspects of British colonial rule that also contributed to economic hardship in India, but without specifically emphasizing the devastating role of discriminatory tariffs and regulations in dismantling existing Indian industries.